Welcome guys to another episode of Lad and Dad. Last week you had a bit of Tupac Shakur.
Okay.
So it's now your turn
Yes.
to surprise me.
Okay, well, today's ensemble are called Steve and the Seagulls. They cover heavy metal bands, basically, but in an unusual style,
Okay.
which is bluegrass.
We've had a bit of bluegrass.
We've had a bit of bluegrass. This is very unusual.
It was a very popular video.
Oh, good.
Someone from Canada commented.
Try it. Let's go for it.
You do it? So we got Steve and the Seagulls. Is there seagulls involved in this?
There are no seagulls.
There was no harm to any seagulls
No harm
at
to
any
any
point.
seagulls.
Is there Steve?
Probably not.
There's no Steve, there's no seagulls, it's full of lies.
Let's go for
Let's
it.
have a listen.
I was caught in the middle of a railroad track. Looked around and I knew there was no turning back. My mind raced and I thought, what could I do? And I knew there was no help from you. Sound of the drums deep in my heart. The thunder of guns tore me apart. You've been thunderstruck. Went down the highway, broke the limits, we hit the town. Went to the Texas, and we had some fun. We met some girls, some dancers who gave a good time. Broke all the rules, played all the fools. Yeah, they blew our minds. I was shaking at the knees. Could I come again, please? Yeah, the ladies were too kind. You've been thunderstruck. 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 I was shaking at the knees. Could I come again, please? You've been thunderstruck. 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 Say yeah, it's alright. We're doing fine. Yeah, it's alright. We're doing fine. Thunderstruck. Thunderstruck. Thunderstruck.
Okay, where do we start? When you said bluegrass, I was going to compare them to Who did we listen to? Was it
We listened to the Dead South.
Dead South? But I don't know that song.
Oh well, it'd be more to you if you knew AC/DC, to be honest. But
You said to me in the last video that
Yeah.
you probably wouldn't play Tupac in the car.
Yeah.
Because he looked like a tit.
yeah,
Do you honestly think
Yeah,
you wouldn't look a tit
absolutely.
listening to that?
the video is hilarious.
Yeah.
The interesting thing is, where would you expect them to come from?
I wouldn't even say the Deep South.
The deep south of Finland.
Oh, okay.
They're just visually brilliant. I know it seems a weird thing, but visually they're hilarious. Just watch the video if you get a chance.
If you get the chance. Can't put it up because of YouTube. For me,
Yeah.
the song No. I think maybe if I think it's not the end we of this band,
Yeah.
because I think you might do more of these. Maybe
Absolutely.
do a song I Should Know
Okay.
to test it out. But
I nearly did Paradise City,
yeah,
but I wasn't sure if you're going to watch the video, because if you watch the video, this is a funnier video.
yeah, videos that I know. Let's be fair with the copyright.
Fair
and that.
enough.
So interesting choice from me father. See, I went home and listened to
Dead South.
Dead South.
They're brilliant.
I'll have to wait and see what it is. I love a cover.
The only
I love
ironic
a
thing
cover.
with Deep South, they're not even from the south.
No, but they sounded like they were
Yeah.
because I compared them to
Yeah.
Kings of Leon.
Okay. Watch
So,
this space.
Watch this space for these. Get a song I
Yeah.
know. I wouldn't play it in the car.
Okay.
Interesting to say the least. Comment below. You might love them in Canada or whatever you're from, or Finland.
Finland.
You can speak Finnish in Finland, don't
They do.
you? Okay, so what was it? Steve and his Seagulls.
Yeah.
Steve and the Seagulls. Thunderstruck.
Thunderstruck.
Who sang Thunderstruck? then?
AC/DC.
Ace. I've never heard of AC/DC.
Good
song.
God.
Never. It's not my
Oh
music
my
at all.
God.
It's not my music at all. So there you go. There's
Okay.
saying go in your brain there. AC/DC. Like and subscribe, guys. More videos to come. See you soon.